The sun is so hot. It's wasting so much energy every day for nothing. But to make electricity down here on Earth, we have to burn so much coal and make the sky all dirty. If only I could grab the sun from the sky, stuff it into my soda bottle, and turn it into a pollution-free battery that never runs out. How great would that be? Ding! Ultimate clean energy exploration request detected. Mid to long form hardcore teardown mode engaged. An ordinary bottle can't hold the sun, but humanity has forged a magnetic magic bottle. Target locked. Tokamak nuclear fusion device. What? Building a sun on Earth? That fireball must be 100 million degrees! What kind of machine can hold that without melting? Take me to see it right now! Do you guys remember the nuclear fission we saw in episode 3? That was taking a big fat atom and splitting it open. But building a sun is different. This is called nuclear fusion. You have to take the smallest atoms in the universe, hydrogen, diatoion, and tritoion, and fiercely squeeze them together. The best part is, these little atoms are hiding right inside ordinary seawater. Just the fuel extracted from 1 cup of seawater can release as much energy as hundreds of liters of gasoline. They carry the exact same electrical charge, so they push each other away like crazy! If we want to squeeze them together to form a brand new atom, we have to give them terrifying speed and pressure! It worked! +1 doesn't equal 2 here! The tiny bit of mass that disappeared turned into invincible energy, $EMC2! This is the secret of how the sun shines. But here's the problem. To make the atoms crash, the temperature has to reach 100 million degrees C. That is several times hotter than the center of the real sun. Even the hardest metal on Earth would instantly turn into a puff of smoke if it touched that heat. How can we possibly lock it up inside this metal donut? At temperatures this insanely high, matter turns into a crazy electrically charged state called plasma. And since they are electrically charged, scientists came up with a genius idea. Look everyone! The powerful magnetic visible bottle! For an invisible bottle! That 100 million degree fireball is firmly suspended in midair by the magnetic force. It can't even touch the metal walls around it. Long as it can't touch them, the metal will melt. This is called technique containment. Compared to nuclear fission, nuclear fusion is practically perfect. Not only does it have massive energy, but the fuel is seawater, which we will never run out of. Most importantly, it is incredibly safe. If the machine ever breaks down, the fireball will instantly go out. It absolutely cannot explode, and it leaves behind almost 0 dangerous radioactive trash. As long as we build the perfect artificial sun, humanity will have the ultimate clean energy forever. Kids, from the first time cavemen rubbed sticks together to make a fire, to today, where we ignite a star inside a laboratory, humanity's pursuit of light and heat has brought us to the very frontier of the universe.
Building an artificial sun is incredibly difficult. It might take scientists decades, or even hundreds of years to fully succeed. But to give Earth a clean, deep blue future, we are willing to give it everything we have to borrow this stellar spark from the cosmos.
In the Wheeleye, are you weighing rank to the Chalzingilus officer? Rook, we never ran out of electricity. Tell Bobo in the comments. Toy would you invent? Hardcore teardowns. See you next episode. Bye-bye.